In today's video, we are going to cover how to close a currency balance in Wise. And start by logging in to your Wise account, enter your usual sign-in details, and wait for the account home screen to load. Once you are in, look through your balances and open the specific currency balance that you want to remove. Make sure you choose the correct one before continuing, since the next steps apply only to that selected balance. Before Wise lets you remove a currency balance, the balance needs to be empty. Check the amount shown in that currency. If there is still money in it, clear the balance first by sending the funds, converting them to another currency, or withdrawing them. Use whichever of those options fits your situation, then return to the balance and confirm that nothing remains in it. If the page does not update right away, give it a moment and check again. When the balance is empty, move to the top right corner of that currency screen and click the three-dot More menu. This opens a short list of actions for that balance. From that menu, select Remove Currency. Wise will then show you information about what happens when you remove the balance from your account. Take a moment to review that information on screen. The purpose here is to confirm that you are removing only the currency balance itself from view, not closing your entire Wise account. Read through the details so you know what to expect before you continue. If the currency balance is still not empty, this is the point where you may need to go back and clear the remaining funds before removal can go through. After reviewing the message, confirm that you want to remove the currency balance from your account. Once you confirm, Wise will process the request and remove that currency balance. You should then see that it no longer appears with your active balances. If you need that currency again later, you can add it back to your account in the future. Removing it now does not prevent you from using that currency balance again another time, as long as you choose to add it back when needed. That covers the full process from signing in, checking that the balance is empty, opening the More menu, reviewing the removal message, and confirming the action. The key part is making sure there are no funds left in that currency before you try to remove it, since Wise will not complete the removal while money is still there. Your selected currency balance has now been removed from your Wise account,